Ever heard of the Valley of 10,000 Smokes? This incredible volcanic landscape in Katmai National Park and Preserve was formed by the Novarupta eruption of 1912, the largest volcanic eruption of the 20th century. Located on the Alaska Peninsula, spans over 4 million acres of pristine wilderness, and it's most famous for its brown bears. Every summer, these iconic bears gather at Brooks Falls to catch leaping salmon. The park also preserves the ancestral lands of the Alutiiq people, who have lived in harmony with the land for thousands of years.